What's up, outdoorsman? Greg here, and today we're adding storage to the kayak. Last year during hunting season, I hunted out of my kayak a lot, my Hobie Pro Angler kayak, and I always wanted storage up front because reaching around to get the stuff behind me, it just didn't work that well, especially I was trying to be quiet, and then when I killed something and I threw it in the back of the kayak, I didn't have anywhere to store my gear securely. So I wanted to add some storage to the kayak. So let me show you how I did it. Here are the items you're going to need for this quick project. First of all, you're going to need some Kayak gear track. I used the 16-inch aluminum version. You could also get the hard plastic version. I thought the aluminum would last, so I went with that. You're also going to need these awesome little tie downs from Kayak. They work perfectly with the gear track, and you could use them for a multitude of things. Finally, you're going to need this webbing. It was built for hauling items on a motorcycle, but it works great on the kayak. I'll have detailed descriptions of all the items down below in the description. First thing we're going to do is take the tray out. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, I got too much stuff in there. Now that that's out of the way, gonna have to get rid of the tubes in the Pro Angler. These tubes are blocking where I need to get to install the track. Got those out of the way. We can set our track like so. I'm going to want it kind of further back, so right about there. Alright, first one in. Let's see how I can do this nut. It's a little tricky because you have to work under here to get up there to it. Now I just got to do the rest of them. And tighten everything down. Okay. Yay. Done. One side is completely done. All that's left is to see how these little guys work. There's two. All right. Whew. Done. Now I just got to get the rod tubes back in, and I'm all set. They are installed. Perfect. Say you got your pack and some heavier clothes because it's going to get cold. Alright, so you don't want to throw them anywhere else. So we're just going to set them up like that. See if this works. Hook 1, hook 2, and net it across. Perfect. As you can see, you could pretty much throw anything up here. I've got some thick cold weather clothing up here and a full backpack loaded with all my hunting stuff. You could throw a bow, a rifle, you could throw anything up here, but it's secure with this net, webbing net, and these tie downs are nice and secure. So I appreciate you guys watching. Check out some of my other videos, my hunting and fishing videos, and remember, get outdoors.